Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
Hi, friends. It's so nice to see you again.
Today, we are going shopping for clothes.
Yes, shopping. I love shopping for clothes.
Me too. It's fun. And today, we'll practice shopping English.
That's right. Simple phrases you can use in any store.
Don't worry, we'll go slowly. It's very easy.
Yes, shopping English is simple and useful.
Okay, let's start. We are at the shopping mall.
Yes, there are so many stores here.
Look, there's a clothing store. Let's go inside.
Good idea. I need a new sweater.
And I want to look for jeans.
Perfect. Let's go in together.
I'm opening the door now.
Oh, this store is nice. So many colors.
I know. Look at all these clothes.
There are shirts, pants, dresses, sweaters.
So much to choose from.
Where should we start?
Let's look at the sweaters first.
Okay, I see them. Over there, on the left.
Yes, let's go.
Wow, so many sweaters. Different colors and styles.
Which one do you like?
I like this blue one. It's soft.
That's a nice color. Very pretty.
Thank you, but I'm not sure about the size.
What size do you usually wear?
I wear medium, but I'm not sure if this is medium.
Let me check the tag. Yes, this is a medium.
Perfect, but I want to try it on before I buy it.
Good idea. Always try clothes on first.
Yes, excuse me.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, please. Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Thank you. Where exactly?
In the back corner on the right side.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything.
I will, thank you.
See? That was easy.
Yes, very easy. Can I try this on? Simple question.
Exactly. Now go try it on.
Okay, I'll be right back.
I'll wait here and look at jeans.
Good idea. See you in a minute.
These jeans look nice.
Hello, are you looking for something specific?
Yes, I'm looking for jeans. Blue jeans.
We have many styles, skinny, straight, or relaxed fit.
What's the difference?
Skinny jeans are tight. Straight jeans are, well, straight. And relaxed fit is loose and comfortable.
I think I want straight jeans.
Good choice. What size are you?
I'm a size 32.
Waist 32. Let me check. Here, these are size 32.
Thank you. Do you have them in dark blue?
Yes, here. Dark blue, size 32.
Perfect. Can I try these on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are in the back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need a different size, just let me know.
I will. Thanks.
Hey, I'm back. How do I look?
Oh, that sweater looks great on you.
Really? I like it too. It's very comfortable.
And the color is perfect for you.
Thank you. I think I'll buy it. How much is it?
Let me check the tag. It's $35.
That's a good price. I'll take it.
Great. Now I'm going to try on these jeans.
Okay, I'll wait here. Be right back. These shirts are nice too. Do you like those shirts?
Yes, they're very pretty. Do you have this in small?
Let me check. Yes, here's a small.
Thank you. Oh, and do you have it in white? White. Let me see. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Perfect. How much is this shirt? It's $22. That's good. Can I try it on? Of course. Go ahead.
Thank you. I'm back.
How are the jeans?
They fit perfectly. I really like them. That's great. Are you going to buy them? Yes, definitely. They're comfortable and the length is good.
How much are they?
$45.
That's reasonable for good jeans.
I think so too. What about you? More shopping?
I found a shirt I like. I'm going to try it on.
Okay, I'll keep looking around.
A few minutes later, I'm back. The shirt fits well.
Are you going to get it?
Yes, I'll buy the sweater and the shirt.
Nice. So we're both buying things today.
Yes, let's go to the register.
Good idea. I'm ready to pay.
Me too. Where's the register?
I see it at the front of the store.
Okay, let's go. Hello, did you find everything okay? Yes, thank you. I'd like to buy these, please. Sure, a sweater and a shirt. Let me scan these. Okay, your total is $57. Can I pay with a credit card? Of course, you can insert your card here. Thank you. Perfect. Please enter your PIN. Okay. Thank you. Here's your receipt. Thank you so much. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. Here you go. Have a great day. You too. Thank you.
Hello? I'd like to buy these jeans, please.
Sure. Let me scan them. That's $45.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, of course.
Here's $50.
Thank you. Your change is $5.
Thank you.
Here's your receipt. Would you like a bag? Yes, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new jeans.
I will. Thank you.
All done. That was easy.
Yes, shopping in English is not hard.
No, just simple questions and polite phrases.
Exactly. Let's leave the store.
Okay, I'm happy with my purchases.
Me too. These jeans are perfect.
And my sweater is so soft and warm.
You got a good deal.
So did you. Now, should we get coffee?
Always coffee with you.
What can I say? Shopping makes me thirsty.
Okay, let's go to the cafe.
Perfect. I saw one on the second floor.
Let's go. But first, let's review what we learned today.
Good idea. Shopping English is very useful.
Yes, let's go over the important phrases.
First, can I try this on?
That's the most important question when shopping.
Always try before you buy.
Exactly. Next, do you have this in medium?
Or medium, or large, or extra large.
Right. Asking about sizes.
And colors. Do you have this in blue?
Or red, or black, or white.
Simple color words.
Yes. Another important question. How much is this?
Always ask the price before you buy.
Good advice. And where's the fitting room?
Sometimes you need to ask for directions in the store.
True. At the register, can I pay with a credit card?
Or can I pay with cash?
Both are good to know.
And always be polite. Say please and thank you.
Yes, politeness is very important.
Sales assistants appreciate kind customers.
And they're more helpful when you're polite.
That's true everywhere, not just in English.
Exactly. Kindness is universal.
So friends, practice these phrases.
Go to a store and try them out.
Don't be nervous. Shopping staff are usually very friendly.
They want to help you find what you need.
So speak clearly and don't be afraid.
Can I try this on?
Simple and easy. How much is this? Everyone can say that.
Do you have this in my size?
Very useful.
These are beginner phrases, but very powerful.
They help you shop anywhere in the world, in any English-speaking country.
So practice and build your confidence.
Okay, friends, that's our shopping conversation today.
We hope you learned something useful.
Shopping English is fun and practical.
You can use it every day.
So keep practicing these phrases.
Say them at home, in front of a mirror.
Or with a friend.
The more you practice, the more confident you become.
And confidence is the key to speaking English well.
We believe in you.
Thank you for listening today.
See you in the next conversation.
Goodbye and happy shopping.
Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your new clothes.